Moses here from Driver Success. I hope you guys are doing well. My first load today is going to Dr. Pepper in Dallas, and then from there I have a pickup from Amazon Dallas coming back this side. So we'll see how that day goes. Those are the only two plans I have.
Continue 1/2 mile to the end of the street, then turn left.
The GPS wants me to make a left instead of a right, but I'm gonna make a right because I'm taking a different route today. Alright, I'm gonna let you get back to the video very quick, but I just wanted to say that if any of you are interested in coming to work with JB Hunt, I'm just gonna give you Suzanne's phone number. Just make sure you call her and let her know that Moses on YouTube referred you to her. She will be able to help you. Ask her any questions about JB Hunt positions. She'll be able to answer those. Whether you want to be a company driver or a lease operator, an owner operator, she does a good job. If you choose to go directly to JB Hunt, remember to give them my alpha code KANM8 and let them know that I referred you. But if you want to get the very best service, somebody that at least I have worked with, somebody that I know will help you really well, call Susan at the phone number on the screen. Let her know that I referred you. Back to the video now. Usually when I'm going to Dr. Pepper, I go with the 114, but today I just need a change of scenery, so I'm gonna go with the 287 until I hit the 30, and then just take the 30 all the way. One of the things about trucking is you want to always look for ways of keeping yourself.
Continue on FM 156 North.
I don't know if I should say excited or like, sometimes if I take the same route every day, I could easily get bored of that route. So if I can, I usually look for ways to keep me excited as I work. That way it doesn't feel like it's monotonous. Especially as a local driver, we go to the same places, drive the same routes almost every day. So it's very easy for you to get bored with the routes. Like, I don't remember the last time I took the 30 from the 287, so today will be a nice time to do that and watch the scenery that side. Maybe see some new changes in case there are any new changes there. As I said, Texas is growing so fast in this place, so sometimes they'll make new constructions and stuff like that. Dr. Pepper it is. Hopefully they have an empty for me. Yep, I've just seen one. I'm done here at Dr. Pepper. I'm now heading to Amazon. There's a line, but I made it. So right now I'm heading to Coppell. This is my third load. I'm going to Coppell in that's at Amazon, and then from there I'm gonna go do a pickup from Kraft Foods in Garland. That will be load number 4. Right now the time is 6:38. I think I need to pass by the pilot and get me a cup of tea. I feel like I need to drink some tea. But I'm thinking I will take my break in Coppell. After I deliver this load, I will take my lunch break before I head to Garland. This is it right here, Amazon Coppell.